And news just coming in, the new National Capital Law notified by the centre leaves healthcare as the responsibility of the elected government of Delhi. This even as the centre claims 90% of their time is spent hand-holding Delhi. This is what the centre said when it came to oxygen supply in the National Capital Territory of Delhi. And they blame the Delhi government for the poor system, and now they've left healthcare to the Delhi government. I quickly want to cut across to India Today's Kamaljeet Kaur Sandhu for more on the story. So Kamal, bring us details. Now, the moment this act was notified, the Aam Aadmi Party called it murder of democracy. But at a time when Delhi is facing this huge crisis, the centre says healthcare is Delhi's responsibility.
Well, yes, we've seen a massive blame game between centre and state, each pointing fingers at each other. Even as people of Delhi die, they're seeking oxygen, gasping for breath, and this is what is really happening. Now, a day after the notification which gave more powers to LG, a clarification coming in from the centre which says that in the subjects of list and concurrent list, health comes as a responsibility of the state government. So in that sense, it puts the onus and responsibility on the Kejriwal government. And now we've been seeing what has been happening in the court. The centre saying that we're spending massive amount of time, especially hand-holding Delhi government. Delhi government saying we do not have, we're getting oxygen, but we don't have the cylinders now. So clearly things are really, really bad as far as Delhiites are concerned. For a week in a row now, things are not set. And the latest comes in after the release of MHA, which clearly says the onus of subjects like health and education lie with the state government. So in that sense, it is the Kejriwal government which is at helm of affairs. Now, we've seen what the politics has been playing out. But clearly, what has been happening is that as far as state of Delhi is concerned, the powers are concerned. Kejriwal has been saying that the powers have been taken away, and the real power now lies with the LG.
Okay.
But now, this particular notification, what happens is that LG steers clear of taking any sort of responsibility, and the entire burden now comes on the Kejriwal government of what's really happening. The mess, the suppliers blaming the Kejriwal government for not putting up the act. Delhi government putting Delhi High Court pulling up the government again, saying things are not in place and Delhi is a big mess. So all this now going to put more pressure, but will lead to a fresh escalation between centre and state.
Keep tracking that story. I will come back to you for more.